You know, I love it, I love it, I love it, you know, I love it so much, so much, so much. I like the I like the I like the down, like it, like all uptown. You know, and Josephine's down, down, down. All about the Nas, hyped up on that jazz, all about that calm, the kingdom will be done. Saw you playing with the fixation blues. Saw you doing, for doing and doing. Saw it now, I thought, no, that she likes to do it with no hope. Give her enough room. Saw you with Mary Queen. She thinks that it's all she likes to do. It's true. I saw you with Mediterranean blue. You know she thinks that it's all about the dough. She thinks that it's all about the truth. Now you're gonna come and do it all with those doors. It's all about the Nas. It's all about that. Hyped up jazz. All about with your ass. All about with the cat. Say you're ready to how you throw. You said didn't have much hope. Get yourself more enough room. You got to bound your throat. No, I like to fuck it all night long. No, I like to just in the song. No, I like to know if it's wrong. Get hard all night long. All about the love, all about the cause, all about the cause. I'm wild little girl, with love, no one wanting my little girl, with love. I want it all, and I want it hard. It's all about the Nas, all about that hyped up jazz. You can touch me, and like that. I know you love just this ass. You can touch me like that. It's all my fault. You can touch me like that. It's all my fault. You can touch me like that. It's all about cold stone crack. You can touch me, it's on my back. It's all about cold stone crack. It's all about knocking on your back. You can touch me like that. I'm the definition of a black. You can touch me, just on my back. you want just to be so bad. Can you feel trapped? Because your dog make you come like that. Can you feel trapped?
This is Van Electric Ghost. This episode is Peg Talks Up Expansive Sound, Incel Volcano, and Other Decadent Tales. And so this episode is got a couple of songs we wrote. One of them is A Blast from the Past. So we're going to talk about the first song. There's the title of this episode, Incel Volcano. So there's a whole, talk on the internet, on the web, about incels and how they're kind of repressed individuals that tend to go off and do violent things or are very, antisocial. And I think these are people who suffer from anomie, people who suffer from like social dissonance. They feel like left out. They feel repressed. They're suppressed. And then they take it out on women. They take it out on minorities. It's not a positive place to be in. I can understand the social damage that these people are undergoing because of the dynamic changes in our macrocosm world. The world is that, used to be able to be an average white male and do pretty well in this country without a heavy education. And we're in the techno age where you need to understand technology in order to be successful, which means that you've got to increase your math skills, you got to increase your logical skills. And there's some people who are not capable of doing that, whether they're any race, color, creed, sex. There's some people who are just not capable of doing that. And then there's some people that feel that they resentment because they want to be able to do a job that they could have done 30 years ago without that skill set and made enough money to buy a house and a boat and send their kids to college or whatever. Now that's very hard to do. So, we get these people that bring up the resentment on minorities and women and immigrants because they feel they're taking something from them. So this idea of this incel volcano is somebody that explodes in the social environment because they feel they're being put upon. So this song talks about that and how Josephine says there's somebody you should never know because if you run into them, you might run into a school shooting or a mass shooting or a violent event. And so this song is like our dive into what we call political electronic music, or PEM, which Peg has been doing since our first record, Something Wicked, which kind of predicted what would happen if Donald Trump became president. If you go to Amazon.com and check out the CD of Something Wicked, you would see that we were actually talking about in the title, the main lyric of that song is Something Wicked This Way Comes, Trump. Now, this was about a year before Trump got elected. That was our first record, and our first dive into the idea of Van Electric Ghost and the first appearance of Josephine Electric on record, which is still available on Amazon.com. It's Something Wicked. And so we're continuing what we started there with political electronic music. We do it from time to time. We also focus on social dissonance and anomie, which is in this song. Now, The Blast from the Past is a song called I'm That Girl, You're Code Blue. Now, this is a song we did maybe 2 years ago, and it's our Riot Girl effort because we're very much inspired by the punk aesthetic, and we've been fans of Susie and the band She's and the Sex Pistols and the Clash and the raw power of Riot Girl, like the Runaways, like Joan Jett, Lita Ford. We're very much into that. We love Juliana Hatfield. We love Liz Phair. We love a lot of, heavy indie music. You include that, we say Tori Amos, but that's not exactly a punk aesthetic, but just the idea of being innovative and female and doing something really cool. And so we've been a big proponent of that kind of Riot Girl Power. If you've checked our show, we've interviewed the Soap Girls that are in that vein. We've talked to a lot of indie female artists that are pretty much in that space. And so we like to have Josephine as the lead singer of Phantom Electric Ghost express that kind of punk aesthetic. And this is kind of like a Huskadoo techno punk thing, kind of inspired by Bob Mould has tried to evolve that kind of grunge proto-punk sound that Huskadoo had. And time to time it mixes techno elements. This is really our sense trying to be as punk as possible. And, we take a 2008 Juno GI and run the supernatural guitars out of it through our secret sauce of running it through a Moog Mother 32, and we're also running it through MX1 Performance Mixer and bringing it into a Zoom R24. And by doing all those things, we get a very raw sound. They use the JDXI, which is our typical drum machine. We use the drum machines embedded in the 5-part system in that machine, and we extend it with the Arturia BeatStep Pro. And we're able to use the BeatStep Pro to manually kick off changes in the patterns, and we also use the chain pattern feature, which was an upgrade to the machine a couple of years ago. We still find that this is one of our best go-to drum machines because of its, it's very compact. It connects to our synthesis, hardware synthesis setup. It's the top tier of a 3-tiered rack. So the Arturia BeatStep Pro is at the top of the rack, and then we have the JDXI in the middle, and then the Juno on the base of the actual rack stand for these keyboards. Now we've been looking into upgrading the JDXI to potentially we believe that the Jupiter XM would be a great replacement because we could use the Juno GI keyboard to do the RD piano and to also extend the piano sound. People complain it's always got a crappy keyboard, but really think of it as a sound module that happens to have, Jupiter, 8 and Juno and polyphonic SH101 and RD pianos, and then its own Zencore engine. So we would take the kind of 5-part structure that it has that's similar to the JDXI, and we'd use the BeatStep Pro, which can do 3 lines of synthesis. And the 3 lines of synthesis, including the drums, we could extend that. So we think that's a pretty cool effort on the part of Roland, though some people criticize it heavily. Now, the other song we're talking about is this a sex romp in the depths of that fucks, which is a pretty heavy sexual funk effort where Josephine Electric is just, wants to get fucked. And then she just goes to these sex parties and just is herself, and it just becomes like the dominatrix that she is, and she likes to rule and she likes to be ruled, and she does everything possible in every way possible, and that's who she is. We don't go into it further than that. You can kind of hear it for yourself. So hopefully you like everything we've been doing, and we'll talk to you later. Again, if you're a band, you want to be interviewed by the Ghost, give us a ring through voice memo. You can contact us on our Instagram, which is expansive_sound_experiments. Again, that's expansive_sound_experiments. Or you can send us a direct message on our Facebook Messenger at Phantom Electric Ghost. Again, at Phantom Electric Ghost if you want to be on the show. If you like what we're doing, please contribute to our Patreon. If you do, we'll send you a hard copy of The Flower That Blooms at Midnight in the Tomb, which is our latest Phantom Electric Ghost CD that was entirely composed on Teenage Engineering OPZ with a little help from some hardware sense from Moog and Roland. We also have the other Phantom Electric Ghost CDs, so if you contribute more, it says a surprise. You might get something wicked. You might get Indigo Menace. You might get Synesthesia Neo Soul Surrender, which are only available as CD. So please check us out. And if you want to contribute through Anchor, you can be a supporter at $1 a month, $4.99 a month, or $9.99 a month. You always have the option to withdraw your subscription. So if you just want to support us for 1 month and then withdraw, you can do that. And that would be cool. We're asking Anchor if they could do one-time support. We think that would be a cool idea. Could probably the monthly is a turnoff for some people. But we hope to talk to you later. Thank you.
I'm not some hero girl. It's awesome girl. I'm not some hero girl. Everything's in twirl. I don't know where it comes from. You must live in that old world. Know where it comes from. I'm not that kind of girl. I'm not some hero girl. It's awesome pearl. I'm not some hero girl. Let the dance you twirl. I'm not some girl you give some moves that you don't well. I was confused. I'm never in the mood for what you would do. Not some hero girl, and you're confused. Not some kind of girl, only your kind dude. I'm not some hero girl. You must be confused. You think you can take it for a twirl? You think you can give me some love? You must be confused. I'm not the kind of girl who drowns on the loot. I'm not some hero girl who takes all your dudes. I'm not some hero girl that knows around what you do. Not some hero girl who draws around code dudes. Must be confused. The ride starts now. I'm a little too loud. The ride starts now. You better calm down. The ride starts now. It's gonna be loud. If you thought you'd do that, you're living on rock and roll. I'm not some kind of girl. You're gonna be confused. Know exactly what that you want to. I'm the kind of girl that'll stand for your view. You're gonna find out just what your feet's gonna do. You're gonna find out swear that's the dream. You just can't be. I swear that's the dream. You just a man. I swear that's obscene. You don't even make a scene. How you gonna be if you can't breathe? How you gonna be if you don't dream? Always unknown, always on the go, always unload, always unknown, always unglow. That's why always going on. Walk a volcano, it's gonna explode. All down the Incel Road. Walk a volcano, we're gonna explode. Down Incel Road. Determinate, and that's no. It's determinate, can't take that go. It's determinate, no one wants your load. That's why you explode. You're somebody nobody wants to know. It's determinate, no one wants to know. You're just like drifting snow. Nobody wants to share your know. I want the volcanoes to explode down that Incel Road. Want the volcanoes to explode. Everybody can act like they don't know. Want the volcanoes to explode. Everybody can't act like they don't know. Nobody wants you to know. You're someone we don't want to know. You're someone who can't carry that load. Walking volcanoes do explode. Everyone can act like they don't know. Determinate unknown. We're gonna go down that road. Determinate no soul. Just another volcano, it's gonna explode. Determinate unknown. Society's gonna carry load down Incel Road. Determinate, it's known. The lost soul gonna explode. It's known. The Incel is gonna explode. Determinate, known. He's gonna let go that load. And somebody nobody ever should know. That's somebody that nobody should know. Just another volcano gonna explode. Down Incel Road. Just another volcano that can't carry the load. Society, you should know.